Hi guys, so to start this week's design I'm going to do a side swipe. I'm using this silver holographic polish which is by my own indie polish line and it is called Silver Lining. Once that's dried I'll apply a second coat. Next, using a dotting tool and black, we're going to do a 5-petaled flower. Now using the same silver hollow that we did for the side swipe, I'm using a smalling dotting tool and I'm just going to do a small dot on the inside of the black. Next I'm going to use a black striper to create the two lines that you can see here. And in the centre of the flower we're going to apply a silver rhinestone.